Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disable or turn off our voice activation button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Right now, when we turn on our voice activation, this button will appear right here. How to disable this little button? We need to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for accessibility functions here, and under interaction and dexterity we have voice access. Now it's turned on because we have this shortcut here. We want to keep this shortcut but delete this button. So voice access, settings, and here it is, activation button. It's this button right here. So we tap it once, and now our button is gone, and we are keeping our shortcut on the bottom right corner to have our voice activation still enabled. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.